The Lion Goes to War. One day, the Lion King of the forest decided to call a meeting of all the animals. He was preparing to go for a war. He wanted to assign each animal her responsibility, called the elephant first and instructed him to carry all the weapons for war on his back. The bear was asked to be ready in case he was needed at a short notice to fight. The fox was asked to fix all the secret plots. Then he turned to Monkey. You will entertain the enemies with your tricks and engage them. All the animals were assigned their responsibilities. One of them pointed out the responsibilities for the ass and the hare, as both were the weak link in the army. For them the lion said, "The ass I'll be our trumpeter to scare our enemy, and the hare will carry home news of our victory." In this way the Lion King got all the animals involved in his army and was ready for the battle. Moral: everyone is gifted with a talent different from another.